Today I'm going to be making pancakes. Now mind you, most of these recipes I be finding online. So here is the 1 1/3 cup of almond flour that I'm putting in the bowl. I'm using 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I have Himalayan salt, teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of honey. It's actually maple syrup, but I don't want to get maple syrup. I'm getting honey. So this is not in the ingredients, but I'm putting it anyway. I have ground flaxseed. I'm only going to put 1 tablespoon of that. Now, the recipe also calls for 1/4 cup of almond milk, but sometimes I find that I might have to add more. So you might have to add more. Now I'm putting 2 eggs. I'm just going to mix it. I'm adding a little bit more milk because I don't want it too thick. Mixing. Yeah, that's a lot better. I'll pour some in the pan. Flatten it out. Nice and sizzly. It's almost done. I just flipped it over. And there you go. You have the pancake that I made. Just going to put a little honey on there. Definitely good.